Let's do it. Hi friends, today we are making something so yummy. We are making shrimp tacos by Karrueche Tran.
That's right, it was a cooking segment that she did on Cooking with Kylie Jenner on Kylie's website. So we wanted to try it because it looks so delicious, and it was a craving of Kylie's when she was pregnant with her first daughter.
So you don't have Karrueche or Kylie here today, but you have Kat and Jina. Let's get cooking.
So you want to get your shrimp ready, and she wanted us to cut it into 3 pieces so that they were smaller chunks so that they fit nicely on your taco. And then with that, we're going to season it, but they don't give the exact measurements, and it just said to taste, okay? I know Gina's probably smirking over there because we hate those. So we're going to add in some onion powder. I'm going to do quite a bit, and then we're going to add in the secret ingredient. Obey is a classic, and you just put as much as you want. I'm putting in just a little bit more because I love me some flavor.
Well, I don't have Old Bay, and the store I went to didn't have Old Bay, so I had to look it up to see what it consisted of, and there are, let me tell you, a lot of spices that go into it. So I already feel like I'm over seasoning this thing, but there's some Cajun, some coriander, some celery salt, some white pepper, some nutmeg, some cinnamon, and I have no idea how much of each to put in. Look at all this good seasoning brownness.
Okay, so now that we have the shrimp ready to go, the next step is to get our veggies in the pan, and we're going to saute it. So we just need a little olive oil. 1, 2. We are going to add in diced onions and some diced tomatoes. Now the third one is optional to me. I know Gina's going to do it. Optional meaning I am not going to put cilantro in because it's just not my jam. So you do you.
You know, Kat's been a good sport.
I don't know much about Karrueche Tran except
I had to look her up.
Did you? She is half Asian, half Vietnamese, half Jamaican. She's a model, she's an actress, but I think we're all more familiar with her for being Chris Brown's ex-girlfriend.
Oh, I was going to say she won an Emmy for The Bay, the web series from the mid-2000s.
Did you watch that?
No, that was what I looked up.
Okay, but we all know who Miss Kylie Jenner is. One of the series on Kylie's website was her Cooking with Kylie segment. So she had Karrueche come on to make her shrimp tacos. But I'm going to tell you this, if you do any search for like Karrueche Tran shrimp tacos, or if you did a Kylie taco, they give the credit to Kylie, and it's like the Kylie Jenner shrimp taco, and it's like, no, it's not.
We're gonna cook this for about 6 minutes, but you're looking for a nice pink color, and shrimp does not take terribly long to cook. So once it's pink all the way through, it should be done.
And we're gonna do the next step, which I'm excited for, but I don't think Gina is. Okay, so the recipe calls for fried tortilla. So you have to fry it yourself, which I've never done before. So I'm excited, and Gina is not because her family likes soft tacos.
Yes, so I am not gonna fry my shells. I'm gonna just use flour tortillas, but I will be making guacamole.
Okay, so I'm gonna fry my shells for you guys, and Gina's gonna show you how to make guacamole.
So I got my avocados. Ta-da!
Nom nom nom.
Alright, num num. I like it a lot. With everything together, with the guac, with the green onions, the cilantro, all of it together was delicious. Okay, I'm gonna eat. Your turn to talk.
Okay, I love frying my own taco shells. Is this something I'm gonna do from now on? Maybe just for myself, because I can fry 4, but I can't like sit there and fry 12 at the same time. There's gotta be an easier way. I'm gonna have to look that up. I think it's so good. No wonder Kylie was craving Karrueche's shrimp tacos, because I like this a lot.
And you make this whole batch ahead of time. And I actually used 1 pound of shrimp. The recipe does call for 2 pounds. And this is how much 1 pound made. So I could share it with probably 3 people. So good. Karrueche Tran, this is a great, easy recipe. Thanks for sharing it with us and sharing it with Kylie, because her platform reaches like millions of us. So we're so happy that we tried this. It's a thumbs up for both of us. Make sure you hit that bell and subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. Bye guys. Shallow fry? We shall.